Hello lucky people who have subscribed to this channel. I'm about to give you a very good tip. Bitcoin is now reaching an area of support that we've been building up for months. As you can see, we are here at a 2-3 week support. This is incredibly strong, and we're going to bounce from here. So this is an emergency video. Buy Bitcoin immediately, and we can see that the dollar has, as we can see here, broken down exactly where we pointed out that it would, and it is now reaching the bottom. And as we can see from previous bull runs, when the dollar reaches a bottom and goes sideways at this exact moment, that's usually when we have the last push to the top. And we're seeing that now with Bitcoin here. As it reaches the bottom, Bitcoin stays strong. I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a last push after this drop, and the drop might take months. And we can see another bullish situation building up here for Bitcoin, where it's going to consolidate, get a new support level, probably retest down here, liquidate a bunch of longs. But we're still in a bull market, and you have an opportunity now to scalp this low, and it's going to immediately bounce from here. So emergency video, buy Bitcoin immediately. You're not going to get this inside anywhere else, and I will give you the next area where Bitcoin should be bought. I can even say at this point it's safe to go in with multiple leverage. How much upside are we looking for? A few percent over the next weeks, and then it will continue to drop. So Bitcoin will continue to drop over the last over the end of the year, and then possibly into 2026. We see for altcoins we can first take a look at the total altcoin market. Total altcoin market is reaching a double top, and we might see a drop now, a retest down here, and an extension. We are a little bit overbought, and we are moving down on the liquidity, so it makes sense for us to drop down, retest these lows, possibly even lower, and then continue up. I guess a useful thing to look at now could be the total stock market, as we're breaking through resistance. We're moving up on the stock market. Things look very good, and I see no reason why we shouldn't continue here and have a last peak, a last run up to into 2026, and then a drop sometime in 2026, and that's when Bitcoin will lead the drop. So remember that Bitcoin always leads, so it will drop first and then stocks will drop. We see that we're about to take off here into another unemployment rate spike, most likely, and this one could last a year, about a year, and I expect this to go into 2026. The dollar, as we can see, versus the euro, I would hold euro right now, or any other currency. The dollar is probably going to make a last drop and then consolidate at the bottom, and then during the year or into next year, it makes sense to go back into dollars. And I would expect then, if you buy dollars a year from now, I would expect at least like a 10% return, and it's a very good idea. In fact, if you have if you're on a stock exchange, you could go leverage with a margin account, and you could go all in on the S&P. Hold the S&P now. A half a year from now, when we see the S&P peaking, sell it, hold a bunch of dollars, and you will make good returns and I will point out when that peak comes. But the main thing now is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to do very well into the end of the year. But now we're going to have a sizable drop. The drop on Bitcoin is not complete, not at all. It will continue for quite a while. I can even see it continuing for the rest of the year, and then towards the end of the year, we might get a reversal. But right now, this is an excellent point to scalp a Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin might even go up to at least 2%, maybe 3% profit, probably a lot more. So again, this is an excellent point to be buying Bitcoin, and I'm going to go and do that right now. So I will see you when this deal resolves.